For the textile colorings, I used Indonesian products. It only cost 3,000 rupiahs each and I bought 6 colors. For the bottle, I used 300 milliliters bottle and I already made a hole on the lid. You can make a hole with anything that is sharp enough. So, the first step is boil some water in the pot. After the water is boiled, cool it down a little bit before you pour the water to the bottles. Pour the colorings to the bottle. And shake it until it mixed well. Repeat this step with another colors. Pinch the center of the shirt until it became like this. And then you just put rubber bands on it. You can add rubber bands as much as you like. After that, dip the shirt to the water. And make sure it's all wet. At this step, you can get creative. And just color it as you like. Don't forget to flip the shirt to make sure the color is even. For the second shirt, I dipped the shirt to the water first before I made the pattern because when the shirt is damp, it is easier for us to shape the pattern. After that, you just crumpled up the shirt like this. For the color, I just splashed the dye all over the shirt randomly. I splashed the base color, orange, a little more than the second one. And again, don't forget to flip the shirt to make the color even. For the second color, I splashed it less than the base color. As usual, don't forget to flip it. After you colored the shirt, leave it overnight to make sure the colors absorb well. The next day, I just remove the rubber bands off and rinse it until clean. I rinse it 3 times each. And of course, I did the same step to the other shirt. And here is the result.